Green City Solutions, we're a startup from Germany, and we produce completely new air filter based on IoT and plants. So we take moss to filter the air. We differentiate ourselves completely from other filters because moss has the unique feature to, first of all, filter the air, to humidify the air, but also as well, it's something green you look at, and it can cool down. It can cool down the air its surrounding. So it has many positive effects that an industrial filter, for example, doesn't have.
Green City Solutions is not only bringing this modular, scalable, adaptable air filter to the city, it also combines it with sensor technique and IoT, which makes it extremely unique because it doesn't exist yet. Right now we will focus on the real estate and infrastructure market. That's where we can dig in. We are basically plug and play and ready to go.
Our new product will actually have very low maintenance efforts because it's completely automated. We have IoT, we have sensors inside, and we have an irrigation system, an adaptive ventilation, and you might have to trim the moss once a year because it's growing very slow. So that's it, but that's about it. It's very convenient.
We have a platform for different kind of sensors. These sensors give you environmental data, weather data, climate data, but also data about life, how good the air or how bad the air pollution is. This data can then be assembled from all the data points, and suddenly you have a grid of data. You can basically map the pollution in a city, have microclimate, and you can use it for all kinds of use cases. You can base policy making on it, you can tell people about the immediate pollution levels in the street, or predict how certain scenarios can affect the urban city life in the future.
Well, for us, Collision was interesting from a couple of viewpoints. First of all, we want to meet, of course, investors and potential partners in the North American market, because that is a very attractive market for us, and especially a lot of people from the real estate were very curious to get in touch with us and talk to us, because they see this as a potential, solution they can apply to buildings and new projects.